In today's Garifuna lesson, we are taking a look at Lumegegu Ugubu. Lumegegu Ugubu, which means body parts. And first we are starting off with the face. Face in Garifuna is Igibu. Igibu. Next we have hair. Hair in Garifuna is Idiburu. Idiburu. And long hair in Garifuna is Lagiu. Lagiu. Next we have forehead. Forehead in Garifuna is Erebe. Erebe. Next, eyebrow. Eyebrow in Garifuna is Iseguse. Iseguse. Eyelash in Garifuna is Liu Agu. Liu Agu. Next we have the pupil. Pupil in Garifuna is Liharu Agu. Liharu Agu. Then eyelid. Eyelid in Garifuna is Lido Agu. Lido Agu. Next we have ears. Ears in Garifuna is Arige. Arige. Then we have cheek. Cheek or cheekbone in Garifuna is Idien. Idien. And the entire cheek area is Ubuyubu. Ubuyubu. Then we have nose. Nose in Garifuna is Igiri. Igiri. Nostrils. Nostrils in Garifuna is Lihure Igiri. Lihure Igiri. Mouth in Garifuna is Iumo. Iumo. And teeth in Garifuna is Ari. Ari. And finally, chin in Garifuna is Aribugu. Aribugu. Thank you all for stopping by. A lot more body parts on the way.